Indian economic updates. The Union Cabinet approved the creation of 12 industrial smart cities with a budget of 28,602 crore rupees, aiming to attract 1.5 lakh rupees crore in investment and create up to 4 million jobs. These cities will span 10 states, including Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, and Kerala, and are set to be completed by 2027. They will feature integrated residential and commercial zones with advanced infrastructure. The initiative, under the National Industrial Corridor Development Program, seeks to boost manufacturing and regional development. Anchor investors will receive land at discounted rates with flexible payment terms. The project is expected to enhance India's manufacturing sector and GDP contribution. The centre has proposed a draft Sugar Control Order 2024 to allow the sale of raw sugar in the domestic market, replacing a 6-decade-old regulation that only permitted exports. Indian mills currently produce raw sugar exclusively for overseas refineries. The new draft, issued by the Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Ministry, cites technological advancements as the reason for amending the 1966 order. Raw sugar, which commands a higher price than refined sugar, could benefit the industry. The draft also includes Khandasari and Gur, with larger Khandasari units being regulated. The government will regulate sugar prices, considering factors like production costs and revenue from byproducts. The Reserve Bank of India has set guidelines for selling sovereign green bonds to foreign investors through the International Financial Services Centre at GIFT City. The guidelines, issued on Thursday, allow IFSC banking units of foreign banks without branches or subsidiaries in India to invest in these bonds. Funds and schemes regulated by the International Financial Services Centres Authority, as well as eligible non-resident individuals, can also invest. Investments in sovereign green bonds, except those under the fully accessible route, will be subject to foreign portfolio investor limits. The move aims to attract international investors seeking green credits. Moody's Ratings on Thursday raised India's 2024 growth forecast to 7.2% from 6.8%, citing a revival in rural demand due to better agricultural prospects amid above-normal rainfall. The agency also projected 6.6% growth for 2025, up from 6.4%. India's economy expanded by 7.8% in Q1 2024, driven by strong performances in the industrial and services sectors. Moody's noted healthier corporate and bank balance sheets, increasing private capex, and rapid digitalization as key growth drivers. The report also highlighted easing inflation, improved manufacturing prospects, and a strengthened external position, placing India in a favorable macroeconomic position with solid growth and moderating inflation.